Now I will take you to the wide, spacious living room. This is our kitchen area, L-shaped granite platform, spacious master bedroom with some walking. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. So today in this video, we'll be doing a sample flat tour of 2 BHK of Kolte Patil Do-It Phase 2, which is located at Life Republic Township, Punawalai, Pune, and developed by Kolte Patil Developers. But before going towards the sample flat tour, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, resulting in bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms, whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home with the developer through Housey. So now let's discuss about the project overview of Kolte Patil Do-It Phase 2 with the help of 3D model. So it will be constructed on 5.7 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers. Each tower have 4 level of parking plus 34 floors, having 2 BHK premium residencies. So now let's discuss about the amenities part with the help of 3D model. This project has 35 plus luxurious amenities with likes of swimming pool, clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, indoor games, senior citizens sit-out area, jogging tracks and many more. Now talking about surrounding and connectivity. I am here at the actual location. This is our sales office and साथ ही साथ हमारा जो beautiful project है वो यही township में है. Now moving ahead and let me tell you about the connectivity and location part. So this beautiful project is located near Marunji Road, Punawale, Life Republic Township, Pune. Mumbai-Bangalore Express Highway is just 4.3 km. Our favorite Zudio is just 4.5 km. So now we'll be doing a sample flat tour of 2 BHK 766 square feet carpet area. This is the entrance of the sample flat. And as you can see on the left hand side, there is a video door fold. Also coming ahead, this is a digital door locker for extra security purpose. Now moving ahead, this is an entrance lobby where you can keep your shoe rack. Also, now I will take you to the wide, spacious living room. Here you can place the sofa, there the AC, and right in front there would be a television. So you can enjoy your coffee and popcorns with some Netflix chills. Now I will take you to the balcony. This is the wide, spacious, walkable, standing balcony. You can keep your sofa here. Anti-skid tiles with the stuffed glass railing, 3-sided covered. That makes it more beautiful and spacious. Now I will take you to the dining area. This is our dining area. You can keep the dining table and the chairs. और यहाँ पर आप अपने फैमिली टाइम एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. अब मैं आपको ले चलती हूँ हमारे किचन एरिया की तरफ. आइए. This is our kitchen area, L-shaped granite platform, जो काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. अब यहाँ से मैं आपको ले जाती हूँ हमारी ड्राई बैल्कनी की तरफ, जहाँ आप वॉशिंग मशीन रख के अपने कपड़े अच्छे से धो सकते हैं. Now this is the common lobby. Here I'll take you to the common washroom, जहाँ पर है anti-skid tiles, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as a part of furnishing. अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे फर्स्ट बेडरूम की ओर, तो आइए. This is our first bedroom. ये है हमारा walking distance. This is the bed. ये है wide large window for lighting and ventilation purpose. This is the place for your wardrobe. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. But before going to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you. The key features of Housey. It provides you actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedule, 360-degree location tour, all these under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now we'll go on to the master bedroom. This is our spacious master bedroom with some walking distance, a bed here, and a wide, spacious window for the lighting and ventilation purpose. This is the place for your wardrobe. Now I will take you to the master washroom. With the anti-skid tiling, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as a part of your furnishing. So everyone, this is the sample flat tour of 2 BHK of Kolte Patil Duet Phase 2, which is located in Life Republic Township, Punawale, Pune, and developed by Kolte Patil Developers. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ मेंशन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू www.housey.com. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.